SsangYong Motor, Korea's trailblazer in SUVs, is evolving into an SUV specialist around the globe. Pyeongtaek Plant is the incubator of SUVs that have become a popular choice in Korea. The high-tech manufacturing facility produces SsangYong's full SUV lineup, from vehicles with a traditional SUV frame to cutting-edge monocoque SUVs. Changwon Engine Plant is a smart facility with a central control assembly line to manufacture high-tech, eco-friendly engines. It is leading the way in increasing SsangYong Motors' competitiveness. Has helped build a reliable production system with a manufacturing capacity that outcompetes other automakers. SsangYong Motor is able to promptly deal with any market changes. SsangYong Motor will continue to create new value through relentless quality innovation to strengthen its global competitiveness.